Ritz-Carlton can be found in Miami, precisely on Biscayne Island in the southern region of the city, which is commonly referred to as Biscayne. That was a dream. And so, welcome to a brutally honest hotel review, and it is at this particular moment in time again where I can also report something extremely positive. The pictures speak for themselves, so I definitely recommend checking out the room tour. I really captured some amazing pictures there, and this place is just fantastic. I like to exaggerate a little in this case because it's really a nice hotel, a really well-maintained facility. When you drive in here and then drive through this Palm Avenue, oh my goodness, just that alone is so promising. I was like, where the heck am I going? Yeah, so this place is huge because they also have residences. And here too, it's all about quality. Real palms, real bushes. Well taken care of, people here really know how to work. And I must say, that's amazing. Yeah, then you arrive at the reception, all fancy with these big fountains and all the things they have there. And the employees, they all look cute, really. The guys and the gals, everything's all good. Visually, I mean, it's a delight. You come, say, I feel comfy. Yeah, that's definitely a bit of a feeling paradise. Then I went to the reception and you know how I am. I had a training right away, which was fine in this case. We sorted that out and then I was like, what's the deal with the upgrade? And it doesn't work. The little catch was, of course, that I had to check out at 2 p.m. You were supposed to come at 11, so here, people must leave by 11. Here you pay a lot and have to leave at 11. So I negotiated a late checkout for 2 p.m. instead of 4. I agreed because I had a nice suite. The room is pleasant. When you were walking around, you weren't at the elevator, so you didn't constantly hear people, but you were right by the elevator because you could hear that boom, 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 boom. But it was quiet. Here, that was fine, so I could sleep well. The bed and the whole suite were both fantastic. I enjoyed my stay. Truly, like that was seriously top-notch quality. So, I have to say, I had a truly great feeling about the check-in process here. It was a lot of fun, I have to admit. That was a very pleasant check-in. Yes, I proceeded and became involved in this paradise, and then I was able to observe that it is indeed a paradise. So I entered this location, and there is an adult pool right from the beginning. I believe that is really impressive. And then there's a pool for the families. I found that interesting. So these are interesting things because it's like saying, okay, there's no baby crying. That's already vital in my view. No kids are permitted, you know. Also, kids under 18 years old, even teenagers, are not allowed there. I think that's great. No worries, man. And from the side, you go further. There's this fantastic bar. So there's this guy, I think his name was Hugo. So he made a mojito. Speechlessness. For real. A mojito that I've never had before. Crashed ice used. And then he put those leaves in there. The mint leaves. It crashed. Then he brought limes. So it was amazing, for real. Then add rum. Well then, that was awesome. So I had a precise and relaxed start, you know. And then I kind of went down to the beach, you know. And then I was like, look down there, the ocean, that's pretty close. You just go like 5 meters further, then you can already jump into the ocean. So how incredible is that, truly? All well-groomed stories where you get the feeling that you're welcome here as a guest and where you should ultimately bring out your positive vibes. That brought me joy. So then I entered the room. That was all perfectly fine. Pleasant and roomy, resembling a proper suite. Technically, with the TV, sometimes it rattled, but then it just sorted itself out. So that was a small hiccup in the transition, but it could potentially come undone. The cleaning, everything is extremely clean here. For this Miami corner, that is pretty cool, because in the end you can actually find a lot of fun through these humid things. The rooms are perfect, and in the morning, instead of having breakfast here, we don't have breakfast included, which suits me well, because there's a cafe downstairs where I got a croissant. I sat on the terrace and saw the sunrise. And then again, I mean, this well-maintained facility, the quality they deliver there, it blows me away, seriously. So they managed to pull this off here. So long story short, if you want an upgrade, you gotta fight for it a little bit. You gotta speak up a little. You can't just let everything slide. So the thing is, when it comes to breakfast, whether you do it or not is kind of relative. I had dinner at this place and it was completely satisfactory. Yes, they also provide food at the bar. This mojito is highly recommended. And for those who have a chance, you have to always keep in mind that you really have this fantastic facility and also have access to the ocean. If you go ahead and say, I want a room with a view of the ocean, then you'll be paying an extra $1,000 for that. But it's not worth it, unless you have the money and are willing to spend it. Or it's paid with points. But actually, a room in the back is also sufficient because you have a fantastic setup in the back as well. You're not really in a funk here somewhere and then you have the system outside all day. And whether you're in the room and sleeping and then you go out twice, that's something to consider. So, like, here's a valuable tip. You can absolutely make a reservation with a small payment and still enjoy everything you want in this location. I had a great time, and let me tell you, this is my hotel. I'm definitely going to come back here for sure. Great little dream. Now a room tour. Can't miss this. Y'all gotta check it out. Pictures, amazing. Sweet dreams.
please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt to my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt to my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. Why don't you see me? I'm here, waiting for you all the time. Why don't you pick up your phone? Baby, I just wanna say hi. Why don't you see me? I'm here, waiting for you all the time. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt to my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt to my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. Why don't you see me? I'm here, waiting for you all the time. Why don't you pick up your phone? Baby, I just wanna say hi. Why don't you see me? I'm here, waiting for you all the time.